Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to enable wireless power sharing on your Samsung S22 phones like the S22, S22 Plus, S22 Ultra. Wireless power sharing feature enables your S22 phone to become into a wireless charging pad for your Galaxy earbuds, Galaxy phones, and Galaxy Watch. Note, the charging rate is at 4.5 watt for all S22 devices, which is quite slow, but it is suitable to charge your earpods or the watch. So to enable wireless power sharing on your phone, swipe downwards to open the notification panel, then swipe again one more time to open up the quick menu. Here, find the wireless power sharing icon and hold and press to go into the settings. If you don't see the wireless power sharing icon, then tap on the plus sign at the top, drag it from the top menu into your quick panel. Now here, enable this feature by toggling it to the right. Next, place the device you would like to charge on the center of your phone with the back of the device to each other. When charging begins, you'll know by a notification sound or a vibration. You will even see a notification on screen. When you finish charging, disconnect the other device from your phone. You can do this by lifting up or moving it away. When not in use, wireless power sharing will be disabled automatically to save battery on your Samsung S22. And that is how to enable wireless power sharing on all the Samsung S22 phones. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If this worked for you, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. If it didn't work for you, then let me know and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.